canvas app as well as in manual. So if you don't know about the entity in MS Dynamics, so I let you know that entity is like just like a table in any database. So in the, if you are aware about database SQL, Oracle or MySQL, so there is a table. In table there are some fields available. So we save data in that fields and the field are available in table. So table is called saving the record, right? So here in Microsoft defined entity as a table. So you can consider entity as table. So if you see anything in account in Amazon account or contacting all other tables, lead is the table, opportunity is a table for entity. So today we will create an entity, custom entity because Microsoft provided so many entity, predefined entity in Amazon Dynamics. But to customize the application, we need to have a custom entity, custom form, custom field. So today we are going to create an entity. So click on setting and advanced setting. So if you have a system admin role in any organization, if you are creating, if you have trial account, then definitely you should have a system admin role. But if you are working in any organization or as a developer, so you should have a system admin role to create an entity because customization work with the system admin role. So if you click on when click on customization and click on the system. Here there are various modules you can go there. You can manage the security, administrator, data management, solution, processor, email culture. Everything you can manage if you have system admin role. So let's create entry. Here you can see all predefined entities here. Account, contacts. If you expand any entity, here you will see forms. Every entity has form, fields, chart, views, and keys available. And business use also and one-to-one relationship. So we will create our custom entity. So we are not going to work on an existing entity. We will create an entity. So we will click on new. So here we will create employee table. So I employee. Suppose I give name of their table employee table, employee journal. So I need to here we need to give two names, employee display name or prover name. So just give it to S. And now here areas that displays the entity, in which area you have you need to display the entity. So settings, sales, service, you can choose according to your need. These options can be considered later. All right, now I'm creating entity, saving the entity. So every entity has some forms available, views available, and fields available. So I told you in any database there is a table, and the table has some fields available. In that field, we save the record data. We save the data. Suppose in employee table we should have a first employee name, father name, age, address, date of birth, gender, and email. So these all are the fields that save in the table. That's great. Generally, when you're on internet, you are able to see that pop-up. Actually, that pop-up comes when your internet speed is slow. So you don't need to worry about that. Just you need to click on wait. See what my entity has created now. So I have created my entity. Now I will create fields. So let's make a scenario. What will uh, scenario? So employee table, I would have employee name, father name, email, DOB, age, age, and city. Okay. So these field I want in my table. So let's create one by one. So this field, these all are the, this should be, these all are the fields. So every field has some data type. Suppose field has, name as data type string. So, and email has a data type is also a string, and date of birth has data type of date and time. So we will create a field with their data types. So now these are all the predefined fields available when we create an entity in Microsoft. We don't need to worry about it. We will create a new entity. If you click on it, you can click on custom. So there is now we don't have any custom field available now. So we will create first field. So let's create first field in that entity we have created. So I will create first employee name, display name. It will automatically generate my schema name. This will be the schema name when you develop in future when you develop JavaScript or plugin, you will have to give a schema name. So schema name is very important in entity. So I have created employee name. So here you need to define the field requirement if it is required or not. Suppose someone is come on your form, you have someone needs to mandatory is to fill the name. So you can choose here whether optional or record. So in my case, I choose it for business required. That is mandatory to fill the form and name. So data type, I choose the single line of text. You can choose many types of data, be whole number, image, two options, add, date and time, and lookup file. Any data type and decimal number, any data type you can choose. So for name, I choose single line. So I save and close it. So my first field has created. Now I will create second field, which I has father name and email. So father name. So I don't need to give the required field optional. We will give optional and save it. Save it and email. I will email. Just save it. DOB. Display name will be date of birth. All right. So for date of birth, I will choose date and time. All right. So save and close. Now, now we will create age field. Age. For age, I will choose a data type as a phone number. So age will be 37, 38, 34, 50, 30, 25, 20. So I will choose it whole number in number. So now I will create final or last with city. City I will choose it single line of text. So I will save it. So I have created my first name, employee name, father name, email, date of birth, city, and age. So in my entity, this employee journal, I have created these also. Now we have created an entity, but to give a UI name, we have to create a form in the same entity, inside the entity. So we will go and form. You can go from here also, or you can save it and close it, or you can go from here also. Employee journal. We have created employee journal entity now. So let's scroll down. Mm, Employee journal. Here it is. So if you click on the fields, If you click on field and if you click on custom field which I have created, see whatever field I have created, it is there. Okay, so now we will create a form in which the form entity will be presented. So this is the main form we can create in this entity. So we will discuss later what is the form, card, and main form. So now I will go to main form. I will choose it. Double click on it. It will open. So first I will change it with this name. So so form have some custom field available, predefined field available. So no need to worry about it. So form field we will change the main. This is the main form. Okay, main form. Okay, now we will click on this field. This is the field explorer or whatever field presented in this entity will be here. So these are the all field available. We will click on custom fields which I have created. So where we will add. So we can add here also, but I will insert a new column. So I will insert a column. I will put a column. I will choose. So I have one employee details. So section, I will drag my field here, father name and email, drag and put here when and release when a red line will be here, and date of birth, age, and city. Okay, we have put the fields. Now save it and publish it. So it will publish form inside the entity, and later we will publish the entity to the dynamics CRM. So we have published the entity forms. Now we will click on entity. See here, my main form is available now. So it will take a couple of seconds. Yeah, it's coming. So we will click on publish. So never click on public all customization. If you click on public all customization, it will publish all the entities present available in the CRM. So just click on particular entity and click on publish. So we will go ahead and check. We will refresh a couple of times. See, see here my employee journal is available in extension setting and extension. Remember we have click on setting. So we need to refresh a couple of times. When yes, now my entity is available here. My newly created entity is available. I need to click on new. Just I showed you now that this, some different field should be there. So just click on give any name here, and which I we have created a tab. Now our entity is there. So now I will give the name test name, father name, demo name, email demo@gmail.com, date of birth. I will put okay, 97, any date I can put. So for this time, I am giving the manual age. So later we will create a plugin or scenario calculator field for which whenever we put the date of birth, it will automatically put the age using that date of birth. So now for this, I will put this one only. Anything you can give city, Delhi, and save it. Now save it folder, you can see here we have created an entity and we have created our record. So we can create, see the record, we can update it or demo one and save it. So I hope you guys understand. So please comment if any question you have in mind and I will give the answer. So if you have any problem while creating an entity or if your entity is not showing, just ping me on comments. I will provide you solution, guys. And thank you for watching this video and please share the video. Bye. Thank you.